did you get all yours all gone out? Bella's still working hers. She's working this thing. There she is. Sure, did yours get all gone? Where's your sugar booger? Sure ate her container completely. I don't know what happened to it. Oh, it's over here. She's still working it. Sugar's container is just a plastic peanut butter jar that we drilled some holes in, and it's big enough for the treats to come out. And Spice is working the Kong Wobbler with not a great deal of finesse, but she's getting the job done. Kong Wobbler only has one hole in it, so you got to really do a lot of wibble wobbling to get that thing to work. Bella is still working on the Kibble Nibble. The Kibble Nibble has a hole in the top and one in the bottom. Oh, that's kind of frustrating, isn't it? So you really got to do, apparently, a lot of work. Bella's just, she says, all right, never mind you. I'm just taking you in the other room. I'll fix you, little red wagon. Bella, you want to work on it in here? Is that better? Okay. Kind of hard to get the very last of it. She knows there's still something in there because she can hear it. Tell her what you think, sweetie girl. Just can't get it? Oh. Just eat that dead thing.